All right. So as we said, today is we learn Kitzur Shulchan Aruch. We continue with the laws of Tefillin. It's Siman 10, and we're on Sieve number 9. Okay, so let's see. It says, as we have learned, CF 4 and note 38, the blessing recited over the Shel Yad and Lechaniach Tefillin applies to the Shel Rosh as well, as we said before, right? If you can.
Oh yeah.
No, do not make, like, put yourself on mute unless you talk, please.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So it's when you say lechaniach tefillin on this, when you put on a hand tefillin, so it applies on Shel Rosh as well, on the head. Okay. However, in order for the blessing of lechaniach tefillin to apply to Shel Rosh too, there must be no interruption between the blessing made prior to donning of Shel Yad and the donning of Shel Rosh. So basically, no interruption. So as we said many times, when you may make a blessing, you have to do the mitzvah, the accompanying mitzvah, as soon as possible. Okay, without any interruption. One who did interrupt must therefore recite lechaniach tefillin a second time, and then mitzvah tefillin. So let's see. Okay, it says Mishnah Brura. So basically, if he did, so in interruption, he means here, the way I understand, he means here before he puts his hand tefillin. So he made an interruption. I mean, he said blessing, then he interrupted. I know somebody came to talk to him, one of these geniuses. So and he answered, and now he has to say a second blessing. Okay, so it was blessing in vain, not a good idea. This CF explained the proper procedure to follow if this occurs. One mistakenly interrupted by speaking between the donning of the Shel Yad and donning of Shel Rosh. So here's a different situation. So he already put Shel Yad, right, and he did not put Shel Rosh. Commentary said even if it was a response for Kaddish or Kiddusha. So basically, we like even though last time we said there is some opinion that you can answer to Kaddish and Kiddusha, but Mishnah Brura said you cannot answer. So basically, but if you keep quiet, just silent and listen attentively, that's as you responded. So there is a concept in Judaism: if you listen attentively and to what it said, it's like you did it yourself, like 100%. It's not like 99%. No problem. Okay, so he spoke between the Shel Yad and Shel Rosh. Should handle the Shel Yad and move it slightly from its place, and recite the blessing lechaniach tefillin a second time, and then tighten the knot. Okay, so let's not jump to any conclusion. Read the commentary and explain. So basically, based on what we just said, so the guy said lechaniach tefillin on Shel Yad, and he spoke after that, right? So he spoke after that. So Kitzur Shulchan Aruch says that he has to like move a little tefillin, so from place and put it like back in the place, and then said another blessing, because this blessing was supposed to go for Shel Yad and Shel Rosh. Okay, that's what we said so far. Let's see commentary. Although the blessing of lechaniach tefillin is repeated here because it is applying to the Shel Rosh as well, right? It's the introduction to the Siyar. We do not recite 2 consecutive blessings on Shel Rosh. We therefore move the Shel Yad so that the blessing will be seen as applying also to Shel Yad. In this way, it is as if he has put it on the Shel Yad and Shel Rosh with no interruption. So now, what this commentary is saying? So its scenario is very simple. So he said blessing, put Shel Yad, then spoke. Shel Yad, there is no problem. So they say if he's going to say this blessing again, on the Shel Yad again, so it's like two blessing in vain. No, not in vain. Two blessing one after another, like without any action on Lechaniach Tefillin and Al Mitzvah Tefillin. So they say in order not to do that, so he would say blessing, like he would move Tefillin a little, right, from its place. So now he has to say blessing, and then he said blessing. He did some action, and then he said, and then he said another blessing on a head Tefillin. That's how they explain. If in this case one did not handle the Shel Yad before reciting blessing, he should shed it immediately after the blessing. Mishnah Bruna. Okay. So if he forgot, so he can move it after that. So meaning in this case he so let me read one more time. In this case, if one did not handle Shel Yad before reciting the blessing, meaning that the Tefillin was in the proper place, right? He should do the handle immediately after the blessing, meaning that he said the blessing and now he's put it in a correct place. Okay. Continue. Immediately after this, he should put the Shel Rosh, meaning the head. And recite upon it blessing al mitzvah tefillin. Okay, that's what we know. Continue. One who interrupted between the Shel Yad and Shel Rosh by speaking for the purpose of doing the tefillin need not recite second blessing of lechaniach on the Shel Yad. Okay, maybe he has somebody for, I don't know what he has somebody. Maybe it was a little damage and he was not sure if it's correct or not, if he's still kosher, not kosher, so he asked somebody. Maybe that's what I think. That's for the purpose of the tefillin. Okay, so in this case, it's not considered interruption. So commentaries say, unless absolutely necessary, one should not speak, even for the purpose of doing tefillin. However, one is doing the tefillin without reciting the blessing, such a Chol Moed, this is permitted. Okay, so Chol Moed is all of these intermediate days between the beginning of the holiday and end of the holiday. Okay, so what they say, so basically there is a concept. So if you need to do something for the sake of the mitzvah, it is permitted. So one of the famous example of this situation would be when you wash for bread, right? You're reading something. You here? Okay. All right.
Oh, well, I was muted. Yeah.
Okay. No. I mean, you were looking at the screen. Okay. No problem.